cybersecurity, adaptation of 3D printing,
advancements in robotics,
cybersecurity,
3D printing,
robot-assisted.
According to a report, in the first quarter of 2024, cyber attacks around the globe surged by 28% compared to the previous quarter.
A fresh round of cyber attacks has been reported at India's premier medical facility.
Now it has come to light that Indian Space Research Organization, commonly known as ISRO, faces over 100 cyber attacks daily.
Iran has been targeted by a major cyber attack which disrupted services at petrol stations across the country.
As per a report last year, 80% of Indian companies were targeted and hit by a digital virus, from web attacks to phishing to even supply chain attacks.
Envision waking up one morning, reaching for your phone to check your emails only to discover a barrage of notifications that your accounts have been breached. Your heart races as you realize that your financial accounts are drained, social media profiles hijacked, and the personal details of your life laid bare for the world to see. It's a chilling realization that your digital fortress has been breached, leaving you feeling exposed and vulnerable in the ways you never imagined. Welcome to the sinister world of cyber attacks, where unseen adversaries lurk in the shadows, waiting to pounce on unsuspecting victims like yours. These cyber criminals, also known as hackers or bad actors, operate with precision and stealth, exploiting vulnerabilities in computer systems to further their nefarious goals. But what exactly is a cyber attack? It's any deliberate attempt to steal, expose, alter, disable, or destroy data or assets through unauthorized access to digital devices or networks. And the consequences? Devastating, to say the least. That's where cybersecurity enters the stage as the hero in this digital drama. It's the shield that defends against the onslaught of cyber attacks, safeguarding computer systems, data centers, networks, and everything in between from malicious intent. But cybersecurity is more than just a buzzword tossed around in the media. It's the frontline defense against the infinite number of cybercrimes, from identity theft to digital warfare on a global scale. And while the labels may vary, the essence remains the same: protecting what matters the most in the digital age. As we delve deeper into the world of cybersecurity, remember this: it's not just about safeguarding data or thwarting hackers, it's about preserving the trust and integrity of a digital world, one byte at a time. Now, let's explore why cybersecurity is essential, or the importance of cybersecurity in detail. It protects all the categories of data from theft and damage. In today's digital world, one cannot ignore cybersecurity. One single security breach can lead to exposing the personal information of millions of people. These breaches have a strong financial impact on the companies and also loss of trust of customers. Hence, cybersecurity is very essential to protect businesses and individuals from spammers and cybercriminals. Did you know that there are many kinds of cybercrimes? Cybercriminals usually try to profit off their crimes using a variety of tactics: denial of service, malware, man-in-the-middle, phishing, and other types of cyber attacks include cross-site scripting attacks and password attacks. Take, for instance, the chilling case of cyber attack on the Indian banks, where 13 lakh cyber attacks hit Indian banks in 10 months. Who is behind them? According to a report from the RBI, the country's financial sector faced more than 13 lakh cyber attacks between January and October 2023. This means that banks and non-banking financial institutions faced around 4,400 cyber attacks every day this year. In February 2016, hackers targeted the Central Bank of Bangladesh and, exploiting vulnerabilities in SWIFT, the global financial system's main electronic payment messaging system, trying to steal $1 billion. While most transactions were blocked, $101 million still disappeared. The heist was a wake-up call for the finance world that systemic cyber risks in the financial system had been severely underestimated.
Think about if a cyber attack happens and one doesn't even know about it for a long time. Just like the cyber attack on the Marriott Hotels and Starwood Hotels group went undetected for years, which only came up light in 2018. Thus, by the time they became aware of the attack, an estimated 339 people guests had their data compromised. And this incident signified another example of cybercrime executed at a grand scale, impacting the credibility of a major social media platform and its security measures. In July 2020, a massive breach on Twitter saw accounts of many prominent figures such as Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and Barack Obama, among others, being hacked. The attackers then posted tweets from these accounts soliciting Bitcoin.
In the ever-evolving landscape of cyberspace, the numbers speak volumes. In 2023, the FBI's Internet Crime Complaints Center sounded the alarm with the record-breaking 880,418 internet crime complaints, making an 18% surge in ransomware grievances alone, totaling 2,825 cases. Cybercrime magazine predicts a staggering global cost of $10.5 trillion annually by 2025, with the prediction of nearly 15% annual increases in cybercrime expenses over the next 4 years. So, now the question arises, how to protect our devices and sensitive information from cyber attacks? Well, the answer to the question is implementing safe cybersecurity practices. Whether you are an individual navigating the digital highways or a sprawling organization guarding sensitive data, the mantra remains the same: prioritize cyber hygiene. The cybersecurity basics apply to both individuals and organizations. For both government and private entities, developing and implementing cybersecurity plans and processes is the key to protect and maintain business operations.
The future of cybersecurity is poised for unprecedented challenges and innovations. With the rapid advancement of technology, including AI, IoT, and quantum computing, cyber threats will become more sophisticated and pervasive. As our world becomes increasingly interconnected, protecting sensitive data and infrastructure will be paramount. One exciting avenue for the future is the integration of AI and machine learning into cybersecurity systems. As all of us know about AI, these technologies hold potential to detect and respond to threats in real time, enabling proactive defense strategies. Additionally, the rise of decentralized technologies like blockchain offers new methods for securing transactions and data. Moreover, the human element remains crucial. Education and training will continue to play a vital role in mitigating cyber risks, empowering individuals, organizations to recognize and respond to threats effectively.
In conclusion, let us pay attention to the lessons of the past and embrace ongoing education, proactive measures, and a collective responsibility to safeguard our digital inheritance. Together, let us forge a future where cyber defenses stand unyielding, ensuring a safer, more secure and online world for generations to come.